I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook egg noodle soup. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 6 cups of quality chicken or vegetable broth, 8 ounces of egg noodles, and a cup of your preferred vegetables like carrots and spinach. Don't forget your aromatics: 2 cloves of minced garlic, a 1-inch piece of grated ginger, and half an onion finely diced. For protein, have about 8 ounces of cooked chicken or tofu, ready to add a hearty touch to your delicious soup. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base for your soup. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your minced garlic, grated ginger, and diced onion, sautéing them for about 2 minutes until they become wonderfully fragrant. Next, carefully pour in 6 cups of your chosen broth. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, then season it with 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and a small pinch of white pepper to enhance the depth of flavor. With your flavorful broth simmering, it's time for the star of the show, the egg noodles. Carefully add 8 ounces of egg noodles to the pot, cooking them for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until they are tender but still have a slight bite. Next, stir in your pre-cooked protein, whether it's 8 ounces of shredded chicken or cubed tofu, allowing it to heat through. Finally, during the last minute of cooking, add 1 cup of fresh vegetables like spinach or sliced bok choy for a vibrant finish. Your delicious homemade egg noodle soup is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully ladle the hot soup into individual serving bowls, ensuring each portion gets a good mix of noodles, protein, and vegetables. For an extra touch of freshness and flavor, garnish each bowl with a sprinkle of freshly chopped green onions and a small drizzle of toasted sesame oil. Serve your comforting soup immediately and savor the warm, rich flavors you've created. Enjoy every spoonful of this delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.